Brian Tracy's book, Success Recipe, is a guide for those who want to achieve success in their lives. In this book, Tracy mentions simple and effective methods that can help anyone reach their goals. At the beginning of the book, Brian Tracy explains that success is not a coincidence but a result of proper planning and hard work. He states that every person has unlimited potential, which, if used in the right direction, can make any dream come true. Through his life experiences and examples of famous people, Tracy shows how small changes and habits lead to significant successes. He explains how skills like self-discipline, goal setting, and time management play crucial roles in life. In this book, Tracy also talks about how to overcome negative thinking and laziness to enhance positive energy and self-confidence. Success Recipe is an inspiring book that can be useful for people of all ages. If you want to achieve something big in your life and walk on the path of success, Success Recipe can be a great companion for you. A guide to achieving more success in less time. This book is for ambitious people who want to achieve more in their lives in less time. Every person has the capacity to do something amazing. The ultimate goal of our lives is to bring about some change in the world. When our work improves the lives of others, only then do we truly feel human and alive. The most wonderful experience is when you feel that you are in control of yourself and your future. In this article, 12 ways from Brian Tracy's book, Success Recipe, are provided, which will help you reach your goals. So let's start reading. 1. Set and achieve all your goals. There are 7 keys to goal setting. These general principles apply to every goal. If someone is not achieving their goals, understand that they are weak in one of these 7 key areas. Goals should be clear, specific, detailed, and written. Goals should be measurable and objective. Goals should have a time limit, i.e., deadlines and subdeadlines should be mentioned. Goals should be challenging. Goals should align with your values and with each other. Goals should be balanced: career, financial life, family, health, spiritual life, and community engagement. You should have a grand, definite purpose for your life. Here is a 12-step goal-setting process. Desire. A deep, burning desire to achieve your specific goal. Belief. You must believe in the depths of your heart that you deserve the goal and can achieve it. Right. A goal that is not written is not a goal. Analysis of starting point. Analyze your current situation. Decision. Decide why you want to achieve that specific goal. Set a deadline. Set a deadline for your goal. Identify obstacles. Identify the obstacles between you and your goal. Knowledge, information, and skills needed. Determine what you need to learn to achieve the goal. Support and assistance. Identify the people who can help you. Make a plan. Create a plan to achieve the goal. Mental picture. Visualize your goal every day as if it has already been achieved. Persistence and determination. Apply persistence and determination to every task. 2. Find your true purpose in life. Ask some important questions on your life journey. Why am I here? What do I truly want in life? Where am I going? If I achieve all my goals, what will my life look like? The most successful and happiest people are those who spend most of their time thinking about who they are and what they want. They continually assess their progress in light of their true goals and desires. They ensure that the ladder of success is leaning against the right wall. 3. Think like a winner. In a seminar, a young woman was asked, "If you knew you could not fail, what is the one big thing you would dream of doing?" She wrote that she had never considered this question, but now she could think of nothing else. She realized that the main obstacle keeping her from her dreams was her doubt in her ability to achieve them. Many of us want to become and do many things, but we hold ourselves back. We hesitate because we lack the confidence to move toward our dreams. Act as if failure is impossible. The level of confidence is already there. Constantly ask yourself, if I knew I couldn't fail, what big thing would I dare to dream of? Whatever your answer is, If you can dream it and have confidence, you can achieve it. 4. Take control of your life. Have you ever thought that whatever you are or will ever be entirely depends on you?
Immagine.
You are where you are and who you are because of yourself. Everything that exists in your life is because of you, your behavior, your words, and your actions. You have the freedom to choose, and since you have chosen the circumstances of your life, you are fully responsible for your success and failure, your happiness and sorrow, your present and future. 5. Recognize your strengths. Have you ever wondered why some people perform better and earn more money in their field than others? You might have heard of the 80-20 rule, which states that 80% of sales come from 20% of salespeople. This means that 20% of salespeople earn 80% of the commission. In every industry, 20% of people own 80% of the wealth. Since everyone starts from almost the same situation, how do some people achieve so much more success? The most exciting discovery in the field of success is that whatever you need to achieve your desired outcomes is already within you. You have incredible talents, skills, and abilities waiting to be developed, just like oil lying beneath the surface waiting to be brought up. To realize your potential, you need to look within and identify what you are best suited to do. Then, put your whole heart into doing it in the best way possible. When you do this, everything becomes possible for you. 6. Position yourself for success. Even though the future is uncertain, you should prepare yourself for tomorrow. You should not only think about your current work and income, but also about the work you will do 1, 3, and 5 years from now. You should set goals and plans for achieving financial security. Lord Maynard Keynes said that you should think about the future because that's where you will spend the rest of your life. People make a big mistake that has bad consequences. They think only about the present and less about the future. Thinking about the future is crucial for your future happiness, security, joy, satisfaction, and personal fulfillment, especially regarding how you will earn a living in the medium and long term. 7. Become financially independent. Becoming financially independent is a major goal in life. You should become so independent that you don't have to worry about money. Fortunately, we live in an era that is the greatest in human history. You have more opportunities today than ever before. There are over 1 million different job categories and opportunity fields. Due to the explosion of information, technology, and competition, there are many things you can do to become successful, and the number is increasing every year. The best part is that there is no limit to what you can do, become, or achieve in life. The only limits are those you place on your own imagination. You are as good, smart, and capable as anyone else in the world. Whatever anyone else has done, you can do as well. Many people are succeeding in different fields today, showing that you can succeed in whatever you dedicate yourself to. By setting clear, specific, written goals for financial collection and financial independence, and then creating a plan to achieve them, you can join those who have achieved financial success. When you decide to become better at your work and save more of your income, your financial future is almost guaranteed. You are on the highway to financial independence and can even become a self-made millionaire. No one can stop you but yourself. 8. Start your own business. You can only fulfill your financial and material goals if you create value for yourself and your company, and then keep some of that value for yourself. Whatever your target, to achieve it, you need to either work in someone else's business or start your own. In either case, it is essential to understand how a business starts and grows. The more you know about this, the quicker you will succeed in your work. You can benefit from the knowledge and experience of millions of entrepreneurs who share their best ideas and insights in books, audio programs, and seminars. By doing what others have done before you, you too can become one of the most successful business people. There are no limitations other than those you impose on your imagination. 9. The art of influence. Whatever targets you achieve, other people will inevitably be involved. If you want to attain everything that's possible for you, you must learn to negotiate, persuade, and influence others. The good news is that you can learn these skills very quickly. Remember, people are the most important. All productivity stems from people. Most of our happiness and unhappiness results from our interactions with others. At the same time, decide to become an expert in relationships and how you deal with important people in your professional life. This can have a tremendous impact on your income, career, and future. 10. Strategies to persuade others. In life, you either achieve your goals on your own or you persuade others to help you. If you do everything by yourself, you will spend your entire life and still achieve limited results. By persuading others to help and cooperate with you, you can save years of effort. The power to persuade makes all the difference. With the power to persuade, your customers, boss, co-workers, partners, and friends will support and respect you. Your ability to inspire others to do what you want them to do can make you one of the most important individuals in your business and community. Decide today, at this very minute, that you are going to become one of the most well-known and respected people in your community. Set a target, make a plan, and start. It may take you 3, 4, or 5 years, but you will be on the path to becoming one of the most influential people in your field. 11. Be the best at what you do. Today we live in the information age. In our economy, knowledge and ideas are the main sources of value, and the ability to implement them quickly and effectively is also crucial. The movement from the industrial age to the service age to the information age has been so rapid that most people have not been able to keep up. Our education system is still preparing students for jobs that are relatively unskilled and require limited education. But these jobs have mostly disappeared. The rule today is, the more you learn, the more you earn. The future belongs to those who continuously update their knowledge and skills. They keep themselves ready to take advantage of new opportunities that arise every day. 12. Never give up. Your greatest challenge in life is probably to overcome fear and develop courage. Winston Churchill once wrote, "Courage is rightly esteemed the first of human qualities because it is the quality which guarantees all others." Fear has always been humanity's greatest enemy. Perseverance in the face of every difficulty, endurance. These are the qualities of a winner. Persistence means not giving up, even when facing repeated defeat. Standing firm in the face of the greatest difficulties. There is a poem by an unknown author that I believe everyone should read, remember, and repeat to themselves whenever they feel like giving up or losing hope. The poem is titled, "Never Give Up." Never give up when things go wrong, as they sometimes will. When the road you're trudging seems all uphill. When the funds are low and the debts are high. And you want to smile, but you have to sigh. When care is pressing you down a bit. Rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is strange with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns. And many a failure comes about, when he might have one had he stuck it out. Don't give up though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. Success is failure turned inside out. The silver tint of the clouds of doubt. And you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when you're hardest hit. It's when things seem worse that you must not quit. Conclusion of Success Recipe. The conclusion of Success Recipe is extremely inspirational and encouraging. At the end of the book, it is emphasized that success is a journey, not a destination. This journey is meaningful only when we continually learn, remain dedicated to our goals, and never give up. True success is achieved not only when we fulfill our dreams, but also when we help others. The book highlights how crucial it is to stay motivated and maintain a positive outlook. Challenges and failures will come on the path to success, but rather than fearing them, we should learn from them and move forward. Conclusion of Success Recipe. At the end of the book, readers are encouraged to take control of their own lives and to learn something new every day. The message conveyed is that anyone, regardless of their situation, can achieve their dreams through hard work and dedication. Success Recipe is not just a guide to the path of success. It also unveils the limitless potential hidden within each individual. The book inspires readers to believe in themselves, recognize their goals, and make every possible effort to achieve them.